Okay, we'll continue the same. Just a few points are remaining for today's session. I think only 15 minutes will be required for the same. Okay. So we have seen the physiological factors that can affect on our skin penetrations, like skin conditions, skin structures basically. So apart from that, there are some other factors that can affect on your skin penetration that are called as physiochemical factors. It's factor related to your formulation that can be also affect on your skin permeations or the diffusions of your skin or the diffusion of your formulations. So first important thing that you have to consider, that is the concentrations of your formulation. That means how much amount of drug is present inside the vehicle. As we know, semi-solid dosage form is what, where the active ingredient or the medicament that is dispersed in a specific vehicle, that is the base that we are using. So the selections of the base or the solubility of the medicament in that base, that is very much important. Also, the important thing is that the concentration that we are using. Why concentration is important? Okay, sorry, there is some internet connectivity problem from my side. Okay, we'll continue. No? Okay, so the concentration is very much important in semi-solid dosage form. Why it is so? Because as we all know, the mechanism of working of semi-solid dosage form, which is based on the diffusion activity. And diffusion, as we all know, higher the concentrations, higher the diffusion, higher the diffusion, and that's why the concentrations of the medicaments present inside the base, that is very much important. So the concentration selections of the drug or the how much drug is present inside the formulation, that you have to first calculate. Not like that की एखाद्या क्रीम मध्ये 10 ग्रॅम ड्रग आहे किंवा एखाद्या क्रीमची वेट हे 10 ग्रॅम आहे, that doesn't mean total 10 gram drug is present in that particular cream. So त्याचा drug content हा वेगळा असतो आणि ते total weight हे वेगळं असतं. जेव्हा आपण प्रिपेअर करू तेव्हा आपल्याला कळेल की एक्झॅक्टली त्याच्यामध्ये किती अमाऊंट ऑफ ड्रग प्रेझेंट आहे. Depending upon that concentrations of the drug, not the concentrations of your vehicle, because or the base, because base is just will act as a vehicle for that particular medicaments while applying on the skin. So the effect will be because of your the drug percentage present inside the formulation. And obviously आपलं कोणताही जो बेस आहे तो कधीही पेनिट्रेट होत नाहीये, तर तो डिफ्यूज होत नाहीये. डिफ्यूज आपलं काय होतं, डिफ्यूज ड्रग होतं. So for that purpose the concentration of drug, that is very much important. Second one factors for that can influencing the thermal penetration of the drug, that is the molecular weight of the molecule. So basically, there is a specific size of the molecules that can be easily penetrate through the skin. Or those are in the molecular weight in the range of the 100 to 400 daltons, or till the 800 dalton molecular weight particles or the drug candidate can be easily penetrate through the skin. For the others, we can use the various approaches, म्हणजे मगाशी physical approaches सांगितले किंवा chemical approaches आहेत. With the help of that approaches, we can deliver the drug or deliver the medicament which is at the higher molecular weight. But for the any transdermal drug delivery system or any semi-solid dosage, from the drug size or the particle sizes they are maintained below the 5 micron. Means if you are considering the molecular weight, it should be in between the 400 to 600 Dalton range. So that molecular weight or that molecular weight compound can easily cross the barrier or easily cross the Saturn cornea. Then the duration of contact, how much time, किती वेळापर्यंत तुमचं जे काही फॉर्म्युलेशन्स आहे तुमच्या टोटल बॉडीच्या कॉन्टॅक्ट मध्ये येते. डिपेंडिंग अपॉन दॅट ऑल्सो युअर पेनिट्रेशन or the diffusions will be affected or the diffusion can be carried out. जेवढा जास्त वेळ तुमचं कॉन्टॅक्ट राहणार आहे स्किनशी, तेवढा जास्त तुमचा रिलीज होणार आहे. बट इट इज नॉट आपल्याला एक एक्झाम्पल आपण घेतलं बँडेड जर आपण कन्सिडर केलं आपण बँडेड अप्लाय करतो इनिशियली विच इज येलोइश इन कलर आपण त्याला स्किनवर अप्लाय करतो किंवा एखाद्या जखमेवर अप्लाय करतो so it will start release their medicament at a specific time and after specific time if you remove that bandage it will come to the wound that means all the medicament get absorbed or get diffused into that specific site so likewise जेवढा वेळ तुम्ही जास्त तुम्ही ठेवणार तेवढा तुमचा contact of time with the skin हा तुमचा जास्त असणार so that contact of time that will also affect your brain जर तुम्ही लगेच wash out केलं तर obviously you will not get that much of benefit so that duration of contact another one thing that is the skin conditions physical conditions of the skin where they are so physical condition that means basically whether it is an unbroken skin or the broken skin. So obviously broken skin which is having the high permeability as compared to the unbroken skin. But the surface area that is waiting for the release of your medicament which is higher as compared to the unbroken skin. So that's why the physical condition of the skin is also matters. The age of the skin, whether you are applying the medicament for the young age scheme or the old age scheme. Again, that will be the matter for the release. And for membership to structure of the scheme, that is the scheme agent होत जाते तर ते कॉम्पॅक्टनेस आहे इलास्टिसिटी आहे ती डिस्टर्ब होतं तेवढा रिलीज पॅटर्न रिलीज तुम्हाला त्याच्यामध्ये भेटणार नाही along with that the solubility of the medications now solubility that we have to consider in a two way solubility in a vehicle or the solubility in a base that we are using and second one the solubility within a skin so you have to maintain the partition coefficient or you have to maintain the pK value between the skin मध्ये काय आपला लिक्विड नेचर असते लिक्विड म्हणजे आपण व्हेइकल युटिलाइज करतो व्हेइकल मोस्टली ऑइली कंटेंट मध्ये असतात ते हायड्रोकार्बन बेसिस आहेत किंवा जे फॅट्स आहेत ते आपण युटिलाइज करतो सो ऑब्वियसली द lipophilicity then your pK values and the partition coefficient that plays important role in the solubility. जेवढं तुमचं मेडिकमेंट हायली सोल्युबल असेल बोथ तुमच्या बेस मध्ये सुद्धा आणि ज्यावेळी तो रिलीज होतो आणि ज्यावेळी रिलीज झाल्यावर ज्यावेळी तो एखाद्या मेम्ब्रेन मध्ये किंवा जी आपली लेयर त्याच्यामध्ये जो पास होतो त्याच्यामध्ये जी सोल्युबिलिटी आहे दॅट प्लेज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट रोल तर हे जर तुम्हाला मेंटेन करायचं असेल सो वी कॅन यूज हिअर वन सर्फॅक्टंट और वी कॅन यूज द पेनिट्रेशन एनहान्सर सो बेसिकली मी मगाशी म्हटलं होतं की वी कॅन मॉडिफाय द स्ट्रॅटम कॉर्नी सो हाऊ वी कॅन मॉडिफाय द स्ट्रॅटम कॉर्नी असं नाही की आपण फक्त वरची लेयर कट केली स्ट्रॅटम कॉर्नियमची की हा तो मॉडिफाय झाला आपला रेट लिमिटिंग स्टेप ओके झाली you can modify it with the help of these parameters we can use some penetration enhancers we can use some surface active agents so surface active agent that can balance the ratio between the liquid membrane solubility as well as your skin membrane solubility so that can be managed and better so the solubility of the medications is also important apart from the mixing of drug into the different bases so there are various type of bases and that's why the selection of base is very important आणि introduction ला पण सांगितले कॉस्मेटिक्स मध्ये जे पण कॉस्मेटिक फॉर्म्युलेशन्स आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला कुठेही penetration required नाहीये we just required that whatever the formulations will remain intact for the longer duration time त्याच्यामध्ये कुठेही आपल्याला रिलीज नको आहे that particular cosmetics is utilized for only decorative purpose not for the other things but in case of the pharmaceutical formulation, that drug has to penetrate the skin and drug has to reach the systemic circulation. So depending upon that, you have to select the proper vehicle. And that's why the solubility of the medicament in that particular base as well as the solubility inside the skin means whether it is in a dermis layer or whether it is in a epidermis layer. आपण मगाशी स्ट्रक्चर बद्दल एक मेन्शन केलं होतं की जोपर्यंत तुमचं मेडिकमेंट हे स्ट्रॅटम कॉर्नियम क्रॉस करत नाहीये तोपर्यंत तुमचं ते सिस्टमिक सर्क्युलेशन मध्ये जाणार नाही आणि स्ट्रॅटम कॉर्नियम क्रॉस करण्यासाठी त्यांना प्रॉब्लेम कुठे येणार आहे तर जे डेन्स स्ट्रक्चर्स आहेत पर्टिक्युलर एपिडर्मिस मध्ये कुठच्याही न्यूट्रिशनल व्हॅल्यूज प्रेझेंट नाहीये किंवा कोणतेही ग्लँड प्रेझेंट नाहीये की जी त्याच्यामध्ये ऑइल कंटेंट प्रोव्हाइड करू शकते टिल स्ट्रॅटम ग्रॅन्युलोझम comes in contact with the basal membrane and to the dermis. इथून पुढे तुमचं जे काही नरिशमेंट आहे ते स्टार्ट होतं But again the same thing, जोपर्यंत तुमचं नरिशमेंट हे स्ट्रॅटम कॉर्नियम पर्यंत पोहोचते, अपर मोस्ट लेअर पर्यंत, ऑब्वियसली त्याच्यामध्ये कुठेतरी तुमचे सोल्युबिलिटी प्रॉब्लेम्स येऊ शकतात. And to overcome that problem, there are various physical approaches are there and the chemical approaches are there that we'll see later on. ज्यावेळी आपण excipients बघणार आहोत, penetration enhancer म्हणून एक specific excipients आहे. That name itself gives its uh, uh, function, penetration enhancer. So that enhance the penetration power. So once we added that penetration enhancers, so they can modify the stratum corneum. Now how they can modify the stratum corneum? They can disrupt the compactness of the stratum corneum. They can increase the lipophilicity of the that particular regions, and then the release of your medicaments can be carried out easily. So that's why the solubility of the medicament or the solubility of the drug plays the important role. The physical conditions of the skin, and along with that, the part of the body exposed, including the amount of the hair on the skin. So basically, palm असेल किंवा सोल असेल, तिथे आपले hairs नाहीये, but upper part of the arm किंवा other parts of the body which contains some part of the hairs. So obviously that hairs also plays important role, and obviously जे काही openings आहेत ते blocks होतात. If the large amount of hairs are present on a specific skin. So whenever त्या सगळ्या टेस्ट कॅरीड आउट केल्या जातात, त्या कधीही इंटॅक्ट स्किनवर केल्या जात नाही. त्या सगळ्या टेस्ट ह्या अब्रॅडेड स्किनवर करतात. अब्रॅडेड स्किन मीन्स तुमच्या स्किनवर जे काही हेअर्स आहेत, ते हेअर फॉलिकल्स आहेत, ते रिमूव्ह केले जातात आणि मगच तुमची ज्या काही टेस्टिंग आहे त्या कॅरीड आउट करतात. सो ऑब्वियसली that also plays means that also can affect on your penetration sometimes. कारण मी मगाशी म्हटलं की जे हेअर फॉलिकल्स येतात ना, they are having the some openings, small openings. If large amount of hairs are present, obviously that openings can be blocked. And we have seen the roots of penetration. There are three roots are there: intracellular, intercellular, and the transappendicular roots. So through that openings, जे आपण म्हणतो की drug can go to the systemic circulation, so that can be blocked. Obviously, that will affect on your systemic circulation. So these are the some factors. Along with that, the important factor is that melting point of your drug candidate as well as your melting point of your base that we are using. So why it is important? कारण जेव्हा आपण टॉपिकली अप्लाय करतो, sometimes we have to rub that formulation. आता एखादा RDX आपण जेव्हा अप्लाय करतो, आपण जस्ट प्लेस करत नाही, we have rub that. But at the same time, others कोणते आपण फॉर्म्युलेशन असेल, क्रीम असेल, आपण आपल्या wound वर लावतो, आपण ते रब करत नाही. Just we sprayed over that particular wound. So basically, ज्यावेळी आपण जे बेस युटिलाइज करतो, in case of the ointment or in case of some other formulations, they require the rubbing. So rub केल्यावर काय होतं, त्याच्यामध्ये टेम्परेचर जनरेट होतं. मीन्स बॉडी टेम्परेचर इन्क्रीज होतं, आणि बॉडी टेम्परेचर इन्क्रीज झाल्यावर काय होतं, मेल्टिंग पॉईंट तुमचा इन्क्रीज होतो, आणि मेल्टिंग पॉईंट इन्क्रीज झाल्यावर ऑब्वियसली तुमच्या ओपनिंग्स आहेत, पोअर्स ओपनिंग्स आहेत, जे स्किन. हॅलो, स्किन पोअर्स आहेत ते कुठेतरी ओपन होतात, आणि तुमचे ड्रग आहे ते त्याच्यामधून the drug candidates are the other medicaments, they can be goes to the systemic circulation. So these are the some factors that you have to consider while formulating all the semi-solid dosage form. First, importantly, concentration, because the mechanism that follows by the semi-solid dosage form, that is the diffusion, and diffusion, as we know, higher the concentrations, higher the diffusions, and higher the diffusions, it will give more amount of drug available for the systemic circulation. The molecular weight, the size, the particle size of your drug candidate plays important role, because the small openings, mostly 0.5 micron is particle size you can maintain, and the molecular weight, if you are considering 400 to 600 Dalton molecular weight compound, that can be easily cross the recorder membrane. For the candidate which has the more molecular weight, for that purpose we can use some physical approaches or some chemical approaches. We can use some pellicle enhancers here. Then the intact time of durations of contact with the skin. The important, apart from that, the solubility of the medications in base in a vehicle, as well as your solubility in a skin or the liquidal membrane, then the conditions of the skin and the amount of hair present on the skin. So these are the different factors that we have to consider. So basically, they have divided into two type physiochemical factors and the physiological factors. So physiological factors under which your skin conditions, your hydration rate, then the amount of hair present on the exposed skin, along with that the age of the skin conditions that comes under the physiological factors, and under the physiochemical factors, your concentrations, your molecular weight, the melting point of the base, and as well as the melting point of your drug candidate. So again the same thing, the particle size is also there, and apart from that, the pH of the skin and the pH of the formulation that plays the important role. कारण जर negative pH आपल्या स्किनचा pH काय आहे 7 point I think त्या दरम्यान आहे not 7 point, it is acidic pH. So ज्यावेळी आपण एखादं formulation utilize करतो, so if it is having the acid same the acidic pH, तो saturation वाढत जातं. सेम जर तुमचा pH हा न्यूट्रल असेल फॉर्म्युलेशनचा, अगेन जो तुमच्या स्किनचा pH आहे तो कुठेतरी तुमच्या पेनिट्रेशन वर अफेक्ट होतो, कारण आपण स्टडी केलं की pH and pK or the partition coefficient that plays the very important role for the drug release. So that's why the pH of the skin that plays very important role for the drug delivery of the medicament. So these are the some factors that can affect. So for today's lecture, this is enough. So we have studied skin structures, the part of the skin, how they will affect on your penetrations, and along with that, we have studied the different factors, physiological factors, as well as the physiochemical factors that can be affect on your penetration enhances. So we'll stop here for today's lecture. So I will end this session here. Hopefully हे तुमच्या बरोबर झालं नसेल. So I will take one screenshot for your attendance, today's attendance. If anybody left between the lectures, please text me personally because of the internet connectivity problem or anything. तर तुम्ही लेफ्ट झाला असाल मध्येच लेक्चरच्या, तर माझ्या इथे 48 पार्टिसिपेंट दिसतात, तर कोणी मध्ये लेफ्ट झालं असेल तर प्लीज मला पर्सनली टेक्स्ट करून सांगा की बिकॉज ऑफ द इंटरनेट प्रॉब्लेम्स आय हॅव बीन डिस्कनेक्टेड. सो आय विल arrange their attendance. If you just wait for 2 minutes, I will just take one screenshot here.
काय पाठवलं?
Just wait, मी सांगितल्याशिवाय कोणी लेफ्ट होऊ नका.